A few weeks ago, Luke shared the SitesDuplicator code. This is what the code does. You add a link to a folder and a Google site template. Then you run the code, and a Google site for each student is created. You have a table of contents. You also have a folder with all those Google sites neatly organized. But I wanted to personalize the code in particular for my students and my district. This is how it works. I'm going to select classes. Now, if it's the first time you're using it, you'll have to authorize it the first time. The second time, a sidebar will appear. Select the classes you want to use. You'll notice that down at the bottom, a tab is created for each class. This was the original code. The formatting was changed. When the new Google Sites API is released, a link to a Google Sites template will automatically be created. Go to Add-ons, back to the menu, and let's format and create those sites. Notice that a subfolder was created for you. You may choose the format you want to use: class project, school project. Click on it, and the formatting changes, as well as the Google Sites are created for you. Look in the bottom right-hand corner. And the beauty is, those links are going to be added directly to the sheet as a table of contents for you. You can now repeat the process for your other classes. Select the format you want. In my example for the newcomers, it is a template that includes links to translation tools. The columns can be changed to fit your needs. Now, notice in the bottom, their Google Sites are automatically being created. As soon as all of them are done, you will have a link. But what if you have a brand new student? Well, add their name by hand, add their email by hand, and let's use the last option. What do the different formats look like? This is for a class project. School portfolio. English language learners. But this is my favorite part. This is a link to a subfolder. Each class gets its own subfolder. You can take the link to the folder. Watch this. Copy it. Take it to Google Classroom and add it as a link. All students can see ELL Portfolios, but they can only edit their own